Hey, this is my new setup from now on, I guess. This is just cursed, but let's see. Oh yeah, these are my eyes right now. Yeah, we are back. Hello everybody. Let me see the chat here. Okay. Uh yeah, just like that. Let me just share my screen too. Yes, this is just better, I guess. So, the last time I checked, we were on a spot that we required two things. One of them is fixing the issue, which is freeing this process output, which is std out and std error. We can free std error with no problem, but we will need std out in the upper scope. So we need another way to prevent both segmentation fault and use after free at the same time. What can we do is we can just use some arena pointer which just destroys everything when we are done, and we can define it in the upper scope just before entering this while loop. I should use a little bit less, I guess, but anyways, non-native speaker here. So first of all, the second thing is that we'll need some executor, command line function, command line argument executor, and this is not the one we are looking for because it is so restrictive. Like, we can't use anything we want. Therefore, users will be able to pass anything they want. So let's see. Clang execute terminal command line argument. C run a terminal command. Maybe. So let's search the same in Zigging, because yesterday I couldn't find a solution because the documentation doesn't exist. Zig, what did I search? Run a terminal command. Run a terminal command after execute a system command. So this is not the answer here. First run, press return to L command which require input in Zig. Okay. This is so early. So I can just skip this one because I'm sure it is not going to work as expected. There's no problem with my camera, right? Yeah, I think so. Process child. Net. So we didn't wait for the output, I guess. Spawn and try proc that wait. Yes, maybe I did something wrong here. Come on, build that one. So we know it is going to leak, so no problem. Green allocator. Oh. Listen to the parsed. Okay. This is just a cursed terminal right now. Let's do something like that because I can't see anything. Give me that. Give me that, please. You know what? Just clear the terminal. Yeah. Here we are. And why? Like, what is that? Okay. Little verbose right now, everything. But let's see. Args. Just the path. This is normal. I lock print. Okay. So yeah, I think everything is inside here. And main. Let's just get the hell out. So remove that too. We'll just parse something here. And let's see the output. So here we are. Error. Memory address leaked. Okay. We can't write anything. Right? Parse TS, not parse TS. Execute step, please. Why we can't write anything here? By the way, my webcam is not looking good, so let me change my outfit. Black is, I guess, rendered better, so just a second, I'm coming. Oh, shortcut doesn't work. Or I'm just pressing the wrong shortcut? Maybe? I'm not sure. So yeah, I am back. Let's see, I think this is going to be rendered better for stream. Yeah, okay. So coffee makes everything better, I guess. Here we are. Yes, this is better. So these guys are not being rendered. What if I just print something shitty like that. So here we are. So first of all, we need to fix this memory leak. It will happen no matter what because we are not clearing this fucker here. Oh yeah, so this is the problem. And so what we can do to fix this is we can create some arena allocator. Defer. I'm using this right? I'm not sure. Arena. Look. Let's see. Yes, it's correct. Cause arena alloc arena that allocator and here so there's going to be no leak, I hope. Why? Actually, let's create something new here. No. We'll copy that. And instead of a parsed step, we'll just return a step here. And then step is going to be what? Just a step. Init is not possible here. And there's no defer except these guys. Allocator or an allocator, okay. Everything is going correctly. Except there's some problem. Okay. Step.type. Are you going to give some segfault again? Yes. I'm not sure what is the problem. Like says no, this is not the problem here. So what it is? What is that? Let's just remove everything for a second to just print step here. Step. Okay. Oh, my battery is gonna be problem. Let's check. You're okay. Yes. Everything is just fine. Okay. Let's try this one. problem is again parse ts. Oh no, problem is not that. We are just getting a lot of segmentation for. Maybe just do something like so step okay, we will not return anything from that. There are some bugs. Wait. Just like that. Let's see. We have no visible error for now. Again, the same error. Let's just remove everything. Wait. Okay. Go back. So we are back to the same error. But why just using some arena didn't work? Okay there. Oh, wait a second. We need to defer that. But this is not the only problem. Yeah, so but this fixes small part of it. The problem was, you know what? The problem was just doing. Let's see. We need to define it in like here because defer stuff just works in reverse order. So defer print. So this is going to work first and this later. So the problem, segmentation fault, was just because of that, which is fucking hilarious. I think this is going to fix everything. Arena, alloc. They are the same struct type. So first of all, this is going to fix everything. Then we're just gonna change some stuff here. This code is not that good right now. Wait. Let's see. This is never mutated. Yeah. Let's see. Execute step. So. Yeah. We define as constants. Let's see. I don't expect any segmentation fault, but you expect the unexpected, right? So the problem? What is the problem? Maybe I should just do the thing that I know, like std heap arena allocator. That's init allocator. Maybe this is the one we should use. Yes. Problem was just that I've seen this syntax in the arena, like in the standard library JSON parser, but I have no idea why this didn't work. So I'm just gonna note that down. Zig report why this one doesn't work, and just paste that. Okay. So, oh man, this was just stupid. But what's next? Let's see. Let's try to get step here. Yes, there's no problem right now, except that we use a verbose syntax. Step init is not something here, so parse ts is going to return a step, and instead of slice, we will just slice the key here. Alrighty. Yes. Let's see that. Yeah. This is just a step right now. Exec step, please. The ZLS sometimes just commits suicide. Last cup of coffee. Oh yeah. So we just passed that one. Step that. Let's see. Step vital. What? Oh yeah, you're right. We should use string. Let me change this setup a little bit. My hands are really got tired. I'll need some fixes later in my setup. It's really making me tired. Like, I think I'm gonna get some RSI unless I do something to fix it. So that's that. We are getting the title correct. Just like that. Create a title, I must say. So the next step is finding some terminal command runner stuff, but it doesn't exist. So let's see just what's gonna happen when I try to run that. Oh yeah. Your file not found. I think this is because of that one. Okay. We already have that. And we will need to defer. Allocator that free memory is going to be proc that std odd, and the same thing for std error. Yeah. What the fuck? Clear. Access of union field pointer while oh yeah. Fuck you then. I'm just gonna try it without you guys. So yeah, we get it. But the problem is shitty from. Are you going to work? Yeah, you're not. But this is actually valid. So the problem is that child.init or child.run are both so restrictive that we can't use them, because the users are going to be able to like run everything. If it is running in the terminal, it must be run. It must be able to run the same thing here. This is not the thing here. So we need to find some. So we can just use some C stuff, const C import and C include system. Oh, system is not defined. Wow, system is not defined. STD lib. Yeah, this is defined. Okay, okay. See that system. I think this is just gonna work. Let's just remove you guys. You take some constant. Yeah. Int. This is an integer. Then just. Oh yeah. By the way, what kind of integer is that? What? What kind of integer is that? Anyway. Shitty. Yes, this is the one we need. Okay. But I would love to see some implementation of this in Zig. So we can just run everything right now. So actually we can just finish the basic functionality of this project today, which is really exciting. Like it's just been half of an hour currently, so we got some time left, and I must say I'm just excited. So I think we will give users information, not this shitty one. Step 1 is being executed, and execute this one. The system, it needs scenes. Anyways, let's just go back here. Output. Actually, this is not a good output. Step string, which is step.title, and we will print the description directly without anything, with a new line, of course. Step.description, but if step.description, because this is nullable or optional. Let's see. I think there's a better way of doing that. Zig using optional as boolean. I think this is going to be the one. This video. But what is going on with my internet connection? Oh man. Let's just skim it down a little. Is and T. What is T? It's just a boolean, which is true. Okay. Maybe byte. Maybe byte. Oh, so we need to just give some what was that? I can't remember. It's like technical name. A payload. A payload is required here, unless it just expects some boolean. Okay, I think this is great. Okay, no problem. Doorbell, but someone is looking at. Yeah. and then we will just try to execute the command. But what happens if I just put some unvalid code here? What happens? Unvalid. Okay. So this is for SH, but does it use SH as default? The system. Is there anything else I can use? Like, let's see. ABSD wait till exit steps. Yeah, I couldn't find anything else, but if I can't find, I would like search this specific stuff at the beginning. If it starts with that, then it just gave an error. So that's that. But I am gonna search some better option here. Let's take a look at run a terminal command, how to use it. Okay. You could use system function available std-lib, executes the command specific during execution. If what? Just run some valid code to try. Step title. So actually, we can do something like iterator. Next, is there any index? Oh, let's see. Let's try the index. Print step. Actually, we could just do something like that here. Go back to that. We will just gonna use iterator that index. Let's see that. Title, of course, with a new line. And maybe this is too much. Like, this might be better. Not only for small sizes, but let's see in a normal size terminal. Yeah, 104. I think this is not one we are looking for. So I'm just gonna create some var counter, which is gonna be 0 with size with usize type, and defer counter +1. So I like defer actually in this language. Let me just make it bigger. Right. Counter here. Counter is going to start on 1. Give me that. Step 1. And title. I think this is just better. and then we'll just print. Wait. Output it. Oh, this just gives the output directly to the terminal without our consent. Like this is just zero value, right? So let's see. There was something like let's take a look at system. Find it. Zero. So is it going to change when I just give it something invalid? Take a look at that. Output. Yeah. So we gonna do something like if exit code is not equal to 0, then we just, but I'm not sure. Let's just take a look. Is like, is every program just does the same thing? Like what if I say just that and bun version? What is the output here? Oh, we need to just first we need to print that one. Yeah, I just removed it. Print output bun version. Yeah, it's that bun version. Output is going to be the exit code here. Let's see. Give me that. Bun version. Output is 0. So I guess every program just follows this same exit code. I hope. Like, what if I do something like that? Okay, 2, 5, 6. So I can do this thing. I hope. If exit code is not 0, std debug that warn. What was warn? Log warn s warn and unexpected end of what? What from command string, which is step dot command, because it is going to be a shell. So this is not for shell, this is for everything. I'm just gonna make it global. I'm just gonna remove that one here. I think this is not verbose. Like, I'm seeing everything in big screen, which makes everything verbose, but it's kinda not that. So you require some that shit, but let's see what we can do with that. So command D, cmd echo hey, command D, cmd hey, oh not cmd echo hey. So if we run echo hey, then Zig build. What is the problem here? Yeah, let's see. Where is that happening? Oh, the description. No, description? Like, what the hell? Oh, I just did something. But what the hell? yeah, I understand. I understand. Problem is that CMD is nullable, but actually not nullable, because we just guarantee that everything is written as expected here, because otherwise it is going to give some error, and we will make sure that it's going to give error in the script that we are going to run with to parse objects into JSON strings. Oh yeah, so I think this is going to work. So problem is that maybe. The problem is just this one. Oh wait. Oh wait. Okay. Invalid format for step wide value. Yes, you're right. So parsed result. That's string. This is a little verbose, by the way. I'm going to need to change script not found version. Yeah. Wait, I did something wrong. And then we need to give I think this is not looking good. So print that output, then print line. Let's see. Yes. Output script not found version. Okay. So instead of that, now we are going to need. By the way, I didn't like these. There are a lot of prints here. I guess I'm going to replace it with multi-line strings here. Yes, I could do something like that. So look is very important. It is the thing that makes you love or hate your. Why I can't copy that? Why? Thank you. Step. And title. God's sake, what is going on? Oh, okay. I'm just gonna stand with that one. The description. It's gonna be that. I'm not sure if I need to use new line strings. And description. And we will need some that one. And output. I think they are just taking care of our new lines here. I'm just hoping that. So let's just use the arguments one by one. Step title, desk. Wait, we can't use description, just that. Instead, um, let's see. Can we do something like if this step dot description desk else not font maybe. Oh yes, this is just correct. I'm really liking this language. Yeah. Yeah, this is just looking better, I guess. Else not font, new line, output, so just like that. I think this is going to work. And this is looking better already. Yes, title, but at the end we need to use expected result. Let's do something like again a multi-line string here. Yep. Okay. And like something that will cover everything here, but not with just. Yes, I like Vim. I really like Vim. Okay, if you get some warning, Zig. Okay, Zig change format. Terminal change color to let's see, yellow. Text color to yellow. Changing text color. Ubuntu. With this, I think I'm gonna ask this to ChatGPT. Yellow? Oh yeah. Let's just copy that. And debug print. And actually, you know what? Warning will be like that, and then process std process exit with terminal process error code. What is the error exit? Can load it, please. What is my speed? Oh, it's just there are some problems that I'm here. Normal termination. I think we can use 255 for now. So by the way, we will need some cache mechanism to just continue where you left off. It will just understand that you had some error, and when you fix that, it'll just continue, or it'll just gonna ask you to, should we continue from where we left off? Yeah, I think this would be just great. So I'm just trying to create something that I am going to use in my own configurations. So what I require is something simple and at the same time something really safe. Which is right now I have found a way to create something simple, and I'm trying to create something reliable right now. But reliability just doesn't come simply. I can say that. So let's try to run this script not found version. Error code. I don't want that. I don't want you to show me anything. Like, what if I just build the stuff, then Zigging bin atros. Oh, okay. There. We need a new line. Let's see. What the hell? So I think it just doesn't accept any new line in that syntax. Yeah, okay. So I think double new line would be better here. Let's build it and let's just run it. Okay. And output will be after a new line or two new lines. Let's see. Yes. These things are really important in the case of end user. Output. Yes. What do we need? These guys? I'm not sure. I'm just gonna remove them for now. Zig build. Yeah, I think this is just better. Okay, I gotta go to bed. So I'm just coming back. Not before. I just try to run everything in this step.cmd. That parsed result string array. Let's see the problem. So this is a string array. Yeah. We can't run a string array. So we will need to change some we'll need to change some parsing stuff here, so we can't just return the user as string array. But could we run something like, hey, yes, it just runs that one. So I'm gonna come back in a second.
living organism know its behavior. It's expressing it as a singer sings a song.
So it took some time. I'm sorry. But let's just go back. So I think everything is great, right? Is it built? Okay. Just run that one. I think I need to define some shortcuts to previous and next command, because Control P just hurts my pinky, to be honest. But anyways, so the next thing we should do is, just big, actually. So parse. Oh, wait. Let's wait a second. String list. Uh, where do we use JSON parse? JSON parse. Use it in step. Go back to step. Step Zig. Next, alloc max parse object. Oh, okay. This is not the correct approach, actually. Okay. What we can do is instead we can just return string directly here, and in array, like we are doing the same thing actually. First object. Oh, this is just looking bad, to be honest. But parse string, which is that. So let's just rewrite everything. Return. How can we do that? String list. No, we will not need a string list. First, result, comment. It's going to be that. And then we will need. Let's wait. Zig scalable string resizing string in Zig. So off constant it is not gonna take any string list here, so we can just read that. We are going to return const u8 here, and we will return the switch actually. So yeah. Okay. So if this is a string, just you know what you're going to do. I like this approach more than that. Oh, let's see. Or we can use something. And use size. No. I'm not sure what can we do here, but my time is coming to an end. Actually, this was so dramatic. I'm meaning that I should go out. So we get something like running actually. Like we was able to run some terminal commands without using this shitty arguments syntax. So I'm going to change everything according to that here, and that's that. So thank you everyone for joining today, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.